best homemade natural deodorant. Now, I've tried a lot of natural deodorants, but does this really work? Since I've been old enough to wear deodorant, all brands caused a rash under my arms. So I've tried a lot of different brands of natural deodorants, and I've made a lot of DIY deodorants that just did not work. This DIY recipe works amazingly great. Mix together equal amounts of milk of magnesia and water. Now you could use it straight, but it might leave a white film and wouldn't go through a spray bottle very well. Add your favorite essential oil, pour into a spray bottle or a rub-on bottle, and that is it. But remember, it is not an antiperspirant. Bonus, you can apply full strength to blackheads, let dry and wash away with warm water, or even apply to skin rashes. And you might be an herbalist if you make your own natural deodorant. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these important natural tips.